Okay, I'm here at burness Cemetery. I haven't been here in a long while. So let's see if the spirits still remember me, okay? All right, let's go in.
We haven't been here for a year.
Where's your phone, Shane? Put me on TikTok. It really changed.
They clean up the area a little bit.
It don't have, oh yeah, they cleaned it up here. Wide open space here now.
They just clean out the fallen limbs and the bushes and the overgrown grass.
Yeah, everything.
Let me pan around a little bit.
Okay, pan around.
If you see those pile of branches, that's the stuff that they clean up.
God, what's up here?
What?
I don't know. Look. Somebody here? Yep, there's somebody here, y'all.
Your phone is right next to that thing.
This is where that girl's at.
This is the one that from that
Yeah,
motorcycle.
this is where that lady got killed in that motorcycle up on the highway.
Connie Sue Fontenot.
Connie, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Would you like to talk to me? Look at this, huh? Take a shot of that.
Your phone, it's too close.
Connie, would you like to talk to me? Would you say hello?
Whoa. That's impossible.
I know you got killed on the motorcycle
On New Year's.
on Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras or New Year's?
Can you say hello to me? Can you say hello? I see you blinking my light.
Let me zoom in to show.
Can you make it go to the red? Can you make it go to the red? Why did you stop? Go ahead, make it go to the red, Connie. She's touching that, huh? Huh? Oh, yeah. Go ahead.
I believe so.
Oh, thank you. Make it go to the red for me. Why did you stop? I'm right here. Go ahead. I come out here sometimes. I come out and see you.
Strange.
Do you miss your children? I bet your children misses you. Can you blink that to the red for me? Okay. Blink it to the red. Somebody said okay. Go ahead. It's not gonna hurt you. Touch the light.
We're ghost hunting.
Look at
Go
that.
ahead. It's not gonna hurt you. Touch it.
There is some strange activity right there.
Go ahead. It's not gonna hurt you. It's gonna light up pretty lights. So I know you're here. Oh, go ahead. Make it go. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
What it went to.
To the orange. Can you make it go to the red? Come on. I know you can do it. Come on.
This is. Was that orange for a second?
Yeah.
Oh, look, look, look.
Yeah, she's doing it. Come on, go all the way to the red. It ain't gonna hurt you. Touch it. There's some activity going on over here. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Touch it. She's lonely. Well, we come to visit you. Now, can you touch it? Make it go to the red, Connie. You're holding it on the green, huh? That's sad.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Connie. All right. Love it. Hello, Veronica. You're right. The Lord is your shepherd. That's right. They got a lot of lovers in here, y'all. A lot of lovers.
They clean out. They're trying to get.
They're trying to clean this place up.
Mm-hmm. Why do you pause?
I was feeling around. Huh? Yeah.
Which one? Which one?
Right there.
That one over there? That old
Does
thing.
anybody here want to talk to me? How about you? Who are you?
A ghost hunter.
Ooh. Look at that. Look at this, Connor.
What?
Is there somebody here around me? Yeah, that's so sad.
It's a.
All right, Louise. Let's see what you got to say. Martha Louise Felice, can you talk to me? Huh? Well, they got the stool there. Heather Nicole. Can y'all light my lights up? Either one of y'all. Can you say something to me on this machine? It ain't gonna hurt you. Can you say hello?
It's turned off.
Huh?
It's turned off.
What?
The thing.
Why'd you do that for?
I turned it off. Wow.
Why?
When y'all guys are talking.
Say something. Can you do my lights? I like for somebody to say something to me. Y'all don't remember me, huh? No, you heard that?
I heard that. I heard
They
that.
said they don't remember me, Shane. I used to come out here all the time. What is my name? You don't remember me. I told you they wouldn't remember me. I haven't been out here in a long time. I see a lot of difference. But it's peaceful. So neither one of y'all don't want to say nothing to me, right? You don't want to light up my lights? No. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
No. Why?
Don't hear that. Don't hear that.
Come on.
Look, there it goes. It's
Yeah.
lighting it up. Look at it.
Go to the red.
They lighten it up.
Go to the red. No. Go to the red.
It's on the green.
Come on. You can do it. It ain't gonna hurt you. It's on the...
Oh, it's going on around. See the red blinking?
Thank you. Thank you.
What the hell?
Can you go to the red? All the way. It ain't gonna hurt you, it's just lights. Touch it. What? What did you say? Touch
We
it.
got paranormal activity.
Go ahead. Touch it.
Well, look at all the people.
Look at that.
What? I know. Oh, go ahead.
Red.
Tell them what channel
Look,
this
it's
is,
turning red.
Hunter.
Look, it's turning. Look, they all turning red.
Good.
Look.
Martha. Louise Felice.
Look at the red.
Go ahead. Do you want me to stay here or leave? No.
Look at the ghost.
I got you one too, Roderick.
What?
In the bag. One of them.
Got me what? Why?
You on TikTok Live, man.
What?
You on TikTok Live right
Oh,
now.
well, hello everybody. My channel is Gayla.
No wonder you forgot your channel. Gayla's Adventures and Mysteries.
YouTube.
YouTube. I talk to a lot of people, spirits. They all used to know me out here. I've been away for a while. She stopped.
She has left the building.
Yep.
Oh,
She's
she's back.
coming back. Here, let's go somewhere else.
She's making it down. She's tripping or something.
Huh?
She had all them lights blinking.
No, it's nice. Quiet. Nobody's around. Except these people.
Mm.
And they were people at one time. They still are. That's why I get along with them. Ain't that right? She is really, what is she doing, Hunter? Huh? Oh no, I would have felt her. She's walking around.
She's circling.
She's on the orange. Look, Hunter. Why? Huh? Okay, Martha. Thank you for being nice. Because last time we got in an argument. Look at that grave way over there by itself.
Yeah, look at that one.
Yeah, I see it right there.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go see.
Man, it's windy out here, ain't it?
Yeah, but it sure is hot. You want me to leave? What is this?
What? Man, they got
What is this?
activity over here, right?
There ain't no phone around this.
Huh?
There's something going on, Hunter.
Yeah.
Huh? Look.
Look.
That's weird. It's coming from that hill.
that's just a hill.
You don't tell me that they
On a ghost hunt, searching for paranormal activity, share if you believe.
That's a woman, isn't it?
Oh, that?
Let's go see.
Is there someone out here following us with us? Is there someone here following us? Who?
Her name's Charlotte. The grave said Charlotte.
Somebody's following.
Hey, dude. You hear that?
John.
All right, Charlotte. Can you make my machine work? Can you touch the lights? Charlotte Long. Are you here? Are you here?
Everybody in the world
Can you touch the lights?
Everybody in the world see you right
Huh? Can you touch these lights for me? Make them go. It ain't gonna hurt you. Just gonna make pretty colors. Make it go to the red for me.
Oh,
Go ahead. Go ahead. Make it go to the red.
No.
Charlotte, are you here? Are you here? No. Yeah, you're here. If you said no, that means you're here. Are you straight? Yeah. Well, you live way, you stay way at the end of this here. There's nobody here but you. She's touching it, Hunter, huh?
yeah.
We're having a little activity here. You know that, Shane?
now. Yeah, look.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's trying to reach the orange to yellow.
Oh, it's that. Go ahead, Charlotte. Touch it. Go ahead. Can you say hello?
Oh, it left. It's coming right back.
Can you say hello? There. She was pretty old, huh?
He's not that old.
You're way by yourself, honey.
She must have been
I
54.
thought we would come over and visit you.
She must have been 54.
That's right. Touch it, make it go to the red. Can you touch it now? No. Go ahead. Oh, yeah, that's right. She must be standing up.
Mhm.
Oh, thank you, Charlotte. Thank you.
Look at that. Yeah, it's orange.
Make it go to
It's
the
like
red. Oh, it blinked, Hunter.
I see. It's turning red.
There's nobody around. There's no phone, no nothing around. Too far away. Thank you, Charlotte. Thank you.
That's strange.
It's strange, huh?
Mm-hmm.
They must have something out here, huh?
Yeah.
I wonder what's out here, Shane.
There's an armadillo hole.
There's something following us, y'all know that. Yes, there he is.
Show
You can say
yourself.
no. something following us. She's been gone too long.
1960.
Dixieland Park. It wasn't too long when they died. They must have died. They must have lived on the swamp.
How could you figure?
Because look at that turtle and shit. We never did go back here.
Ooh, look at that gravestones. Cross headstones. A.D. Lebeau.
Cooney.
Mother and a father.
Where?
This is a mother, it says on top.
And that's the father.
And that's the father.
Good Lord, Shane. Does anybody want to say hello? I'll let you hold this.
1957.
Anybody want to say hello? Say hello.
I would like to say, excuse me, can anybody communicate with us and say hi? Please?
Well, man. Still got your Christmas ornaments up, huh?
Say hi.
Mrs. Claus and Santa Claus.
Yeah. That's husband and wife.
Bollock.
Look at this. I ain't holding no phone. Anybody want to touch my pretty lights? Go ahead. Delma. Delma? Go ahead, Delma.
Hey, I'm thinking about creating a thumbnail for this video. For when I edit.
Here you hold it. Does anybody want to talk? Hey, what about that man you gave him that necklace? Remember?
That son of a bitch followed me home. Even in my damn trailer house. Even in my damn trailer house. Don't go over there and fuck with him, Mom. That motherfucker's real over there, bro. I ain't really gonna walk over here.
Huh?
Look, that's something.
Hey,
Look,
y'all.
that's something you.
Watch out, huh?
Well, hello. Hello.
Is that a teddy bear?
How are you? Grady Dean. Grady Dean.
Dad since 2010.
Huh? What?
That's satisfying.
Oh.
You hear me?
Huh?
Oh, Jerry.
I think I know this woman. Flora Roberts. Do you remember me? I'm Patsy's sister. Can you talk to me? Can you light that lights up for me? Yes. Can you make it go to the red? I'm Gayla Sue. She's old. She was one of the old ones. She died of cancer.
Oh man.
You gave us who, huh?
And this is her son, Kelly.
Named after bobby pins.
Russell Gray Kelly. I didn't know Russell died. I didn't
Damn,
know
Mom,
that.
where you been at? On the rock? He's been dead since 2000.
Well, I meant Russell Kelly. Can you come through?
That motherfucker's probably long gone. That's a long time ago, yeah, 26
Kenna.
years.
I know these people. Clark, can you touch my lights? I didn't know that. I didn't know y'all was here. I'm gonna come back at night and talk to y'all. Okay? I'll come back at night. Nah, yeah. They were friends with, yeah, I'm gonna come right over here and talk to them. I know all them. Why is she buried here? She must be kin to these people. Okay. I walked around the cemetery. I talked to everybody. I know some people here. I'm going to come back here at night and talk to these people. When I grew up, I knew all of them. I didn't know they were in here, but I will come back at night. So we're going to Law Cemetery. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.